Hello student, welcome back to computer online classes. I am Rajeshri Reddy. So today I am here to going to explain about advanced programming language in Scratch. So children, in the last class we have learned programming in Scratch, but today we are learning about advanced programming in Scratch. So children, what we are learning, that is the learning objectives in that: add and modify text sprite, then use event block to start and stop an animation, then pause an animation, then using conditional and looping blocks. So these all learning objectives we are learning in advanced programming in Scratch. So let us start the Scratch now. So first, this is the, as I said in the third chapter in the Scratch programming, that is, this is the script tab, this is the script area, and this is the script list area, and this is the background. Okay, here first, what is there in your advanced programming language? First, what we are learning, children, that is adding a text spirit. So to add a text spirit, where we should go to the letters. First we will go here, choose letter. Okay, then these are the different types of category libraries. Again you should choose. Okay, letter. Okay, take any, that is auto, bubble, circle, outline. So many are there. So take any one letter which you want. Okay, then click on OK. So this is the letter we are adding. If you don't want this default, when we'll open the Scratch programming, then defaultly the cat will come. So if you don't want, means you just right click and delete it. Okay, then how many you want, you can have a letters, numbers, and everything. Okay, see here again, back, then just open and check it out. Okay, so this is how we are adding the letters, numbers to the script. Okay, next, if you don't want me, just you should right click and delete it. Okay, then if you want to rename this letter, means you can give the rename also here. Just you write here 1. Okay, this is nothing but a renaming. Okay, 1. So this is nothing but adding a letter to the file. Next is what? Changing the appearance of the text sprite. So how to change the appearance of the text sprite? So where we should go? Again in the customs. Okay, edit. So if you want to change anything, color and all, you can change it. Same in the paint tool, how you are having brush and all, like that only you are having here. Just you should take the fill tool and take the color and fill it out. So how you want, you can choose the color, which one you want, you can take the color, just fill it out like this. Okay, if you want, then you can add a text also. 1. Okay, like this. Got it? So just if you want to change, you can change it. You can have the color, you can write anything to the text. So this is nothing but changing the appearance of the text sprite. Next, using the event block. So using the event block. Now see here, what you mean by, first we will check what you mean by event block. So event block is nothing but the event block is used to capture any event that may start the execution of the project. So what any event that we are done here, any script we have added here, then when we'll execute, when it will make the movement left, right and all, that is nothing but starting the execution of the project is nothing but using the event block. Using the event block, so it will make the movement as I said. First see here, clicking the green color flag event 1, clicking the green color flag event to pressing a key. Now see here in the event block already I wrote the code, okay, and I saved the file. Just click on open. Now see here event block. Open the event block, children. Now see here. So these are two, okay, sprite that I have made. Just you check it out. Okay, now see here. This is the sprite 2. So when you click on this sprite, so these are the code I wrote from motion, look, control and sensing operators. Okay. Then in the sprite 3 again I have wrote the code differently. So what happened? First you should go to the control, then we should take this code when this flag is clicked. So again set size and say change the size, it will come under the look category. Then again play sound, it will come under the sound category. So like that only. This is for the sprite 2. Same, children, see here again I will go for this control. Again I wrote this. Again in the look category again I choose the size. Then again water in the motion again I wrote go to the X and how many steps and how many back and all I wrote. Then again say means again it will go to the look category. Just you add it here and play the sound. Okay. Now first I will play this. Now see here children, just when you click on the this green color flag, the both will activate. Now see here, I am most powerful than, no, I am more powerful than you. So it will act and it will make the sound. Now once again you check it out. See here. So it will make a sound and it will say no, I am more powerful than you. So these are the movement that is making the sprite, that is using water, using event block, that is clicking on the green color flag and pressing the key. Next we will go for using the control blocks. So what do you mean by, first we know control blocks. The control category block control the execution of the block in the script. It may be stop, pause, repeat the animation of the animation and execute the script. So first one is what it will, what you mean by control, we are controlling the sprite. So that is, it may be we are making them to move left, right, up, down and what all the activities that we all are controlling here by using the control block. First is what, pause the animation. First I will open this. Okay, then pause the animation, take the pause the animation. Okay. So this is the code. So where I took for this all, then just I will add the new script. In the new script again we will go for this. Again you can choose any different types of animals over here. Okay, then for adding the this background stage, how we will go, stage background import. So which one you want, choose the category, nature and all, just take it out, anyone you choose it out, when click on OK, it will be added over here. So after adding here we should write the code for this. So where we will go for script. So how many script, what we are making, we are making pausing the animation for how many seconds, 2 seconds, move 20 steps, wait 2 seconds, say hello, change color. So move means again where in the how many steps we are moving, 20 steps in a sensing. Okay, then control how many minutes we are controlling, that is only for 2 seconds. Then again what we are saying hello. This is how we are making it. So next, now see here we will make a movement of this frog. Hello. Then it will change the color. Okay, now once again you see, move the step, again it will say hello, then it will change the color. See here. Okay, this is how we are pausing the animation. Next is a conditional block. In conditional block, it will check the condition whether both that is true and false and acts accordingly. There are two types of conditional blocks, children, that is if then block, then if then else block. So if then block, it execute only the true condition. Okay, now see here, just delete this one, delete it, then file, open, say no, then which is using if then block. Okay, this is over here. Now then see the, so what we are doing, first I took this control, okay, then move, then again here all the codings are available, just you should take here and you should add over here. Then now see here, now click on this flag, see here. Okay, now touched and what it will say, move 100 step, it is moved and touched and it will comes out of the block, that is it will execute only the true conditions. Next is what, if then else block. It will check both the condition, that is true or false. Now see here, delete it, then file, open, then what is this, if then else block. See here, so this is different. So just I wrote the code and I saved the file, just you see here. Okay, if you have downloaded the Scratch in your system, means you can work it on that. Okay, now see here where we will go for, again it is a control, then what, again here it will be the show, then set size, how much size you want, you can add it 100% and all, and if then else again will get here. See here, just you should go on adding the code over here, motions, looks, sound, sensing and control, just you should go on adding over here. Okay, so it will check the condition both true and false. Now just click it on this green color flag. Now see here, so how many step it is moved, 100 step, then again it will check the conditions. Okay, this is nothing but if then else block. Next, what you mean by looping? Looping means when we want certain block to be executed repeatedly till the time a condition is true. Such blocks are known as repetitive block or looping. So repeatedly execution of the project, that is nothing but a looping. There are how many types of looping are there? There are 3 types of looping, that is forever block, repeat until block. Now see here, first one will check out the forever block. So forever block means it will always repeating the execution. Now see here, open, just delete out this, open. So which one I want now? Forever, using forever block. Okay, now this is the code I wrote in the script of this balls. Okay, that is sprite. Okay, the sprite of this ball I wrote this coding. Okay, when that is again in the control, again show, set size, then forever, if else. Okay, so this is the code I wrote for the ball. Now when I click the ball, so see, it will say hello, then save, then again how many times it will repeat until we will make that ball to stop. So click on the stop over here. Here we will get the green color flag at the corner of this white color screen. See here children, so it is a green color flag and it is the red color stop button. So click on that, it will be stopped. Okay, until and unless we will make it to stop, it will go on continuing repeating the execution. Okay, it will moving on. Okay, when we'll click on the stop button, at the time only it will be stopped. Next, see here, next we will go for this repeat block. Now again open, So again, which one is the repeat block? Using the repeat block, click on OK. So this is the code. Again, I wrote for the repeat block. So again, just what you should do, again we are just go on adding the code. So how many steps you want, what you wanted to say and all, just you should write over here. Now see here. Next is, see here, how many size, that is 100. Okay. Now see here, it is go on moving. So how many times that you want to repeat, that is the 15 times. So it will be repeated for 15 times, again it will be stopped. Okay. So when we will make it to stop, that only at that time only it will be stopped. Forever means in forever block, we are, when we execute, it will go on continuously. What it will execute, it will move. Okay, when unless and until we will click on the stop button. Okay, repeat block is 15 times. How many times you want, you should give over here. Okay, when we will give for 15 times, it will repeat for only 15 times. After that it will be stopped. Okay, this is nothing but a repeat block. How many times you wanted to, you should give. Next, repeat until blocks. Now see here, repeat until block. Now open. So see here, repeat until block is that the repeat until block will result in the instruction being executed repeatedly till the time the condition is false. When we want to stop the animation by pressing any key, the spacebar key, alphabet key, etc., the moment the user presses the spacebar key, the condition becomes the true. Now see here, repeat block, repeat until block. In this, okay, how many times? So when, unless and until we will press the key. So here the key it will ask. So see here, control, repeat until block. Just to take over here, then okay, then which key wanted to press and all, just you should check it out here. Now see here, just you add over here key. When the key is pressed, at the time only it will be stopped. At the time it will continuously moving the ball around the screen. When that the A alphabet is pressed, at the time only it will stop. Now see here, just it will ask, you should choose the any key. Okay, up arrow, down, any key you can take. Right arrow, when you press the right arrow, then it will be stopped. Okay, like that. So I wrote the code for this sprite for the ball, this one, children. Now see here. Okay, it will continuously moving when repeat until key alphabet A is pressed. When key alphabet A is pressed. Now see here, when the A is pressed, at the time it will be stopped. Until and unless it will go on moving around the screen. Okay children, I thought you got this Scratch programming language. So it is little bit different from others. So just you should practice, children. If you have downloaded the Scratch programming language in your computer system, just go on doing these all categories, look out and add the code, and you will come to know how to do and all. Okay children, bye.